The last activity on your strip is the extension activity. And this is a fun activity for you and your student or your students that pertains to the book that you read at the beginning of class. And usually the idea for the extension activity is down here for you, but you have to go and purchase the items necessary to do the hands-on activity. So for this first lesson, you would purchase a coconut or anything pertaining to a coconut. Right now, coconuts are not necessarily in season, so if that's the case for you, you could go buy coconut milk, dried coconut pieces, just anything that would help the students to get a feel for a real coconut. You can have them feel it, describe it. You can write words on the board or on a little dry erase board. Tell how does it smell, how does it feel, and then you're going to take an actual hammer and a screwdriver and you're going to crack open the coconut and carve out the coconut meat. It is messy, but it is so fun, and it really makes this lesson stick with your student. Anytime you can help a student form a memory to the lesson that you did, it's going to make it last much longer for them in their memories. And all of these extension activities and all of these lessons are very fun. So make sure you make time at the end of every lesson to reward them for their hard work.